We're water ecology students from Mount Aloysius College, and today, we have a beautiful October day. We're going to be sampling for macroinvertebrates on the Little Conemaugh River.
Yes, so macroinvertebrates are any small organisms, invertebrates, that live on the stream bed or the benthic environment here in the river. Today specifically though, we are going to be focusing on EPT. They are very good bioindicators for good stream health, and specifically these are mayflies, stoneflies, and caddisflies, which if we get, hopefully we'll find a few. We'll be sure to show you them as soon as we capture a few. But hopefully you learn a lot from this video on how to sample streams for macroinvertebrates. Let's get to it.
The goal of this sampling method is to guide small macroinvertebrates into the net. As you can see, you want to have one person stand downstream with the net and one person facing them. Mayfly, stonefly, and caddisfly nymphs are known as clingers, which means they secure themselves or cling to the bottoms of rocks or edding material that they can hold on to and feed on. Here, we're going to let the stream do most of the work. Find a pocket where a large amount of water flows, and then disturb the rocks by kicking your feet and reaching into the water. Focus on rubbing the rocks and moving any large pieces out of the way. Make sure the net is firmly secured to the bottom so the bugs do not slip underneath. Repeat this method multiple times in different locations along the stream because not all samples are created equal. The next step is to pick through the leaves and other debris to find the macroinvertebrates. Remember, they are very tiny, so make sure to look closely for any kind of movement. It may be smart to use a collection tray as shown to make the organisms easier to see.
Okay, so earlier we discussed that we were sampling for EPT, Ephemocoptera, Plecoptera, and Trichoptera, which are mayflies, stoneflies, and caddisflies. Unfortunately, we weren't able to find any stoneflies, but we did find a lot of mayflies and caddisflies, which I'll show you here. So these guys right here, you see he's got the three tails, and his gills are right there, and he's kind of got that flat body, big towards the head. This is a mayfly. We have another one right here, and then we actually have a slightly different species. Well, not exactly species, but subspecies right here. You can see his body design in this one, and then this one right here. Oh, there he goes. He's moving. Yeah, this one right here. They have a little bit different body design than this guy, but they're both still mayflies. So we have mayfly here, mayfly here. Just a little bit of a difference between them. Now in the caddisflies, we have plenty of them, and there's mainly two types of caddisflies. And right here we got a really good example. This is a free-living caddisfly. And you can see his legs are a little spread out. Color doesn't have a lot to do with it, because as you hear right here, we have a free-living or net spinning, also known as net spinning caddisfly, that is yellow. But we'll go back here to the green one. And then right next to him, this is a case caddis. And you can see he's got definitely a little bit different body structure. And then, so these ones make cases. And right here, you can see this is the actual casing of a caddis. And we flip it over. If I can get it flipped over there. You can see the caddis is inside right there. And actually, I'll break it up here. He'll be okay. But if we break up the casing, very gently, and there we just pulled out a little caddisfly. He's not very active right now, but yes, the caddisfly is nice attacking it. All right, so we have the different caddisflies, and then unfortunately, once again, we didn't find any stoneflies. But then there's also other macroinvertebrates that are really good stream indicators, such as these water pennies right here. We have one here, and then we have one here. These are beetle larvae, and they do not tolerate pollution very well. So once again, we know this is a fairly clean stream. And then the last one that we have here for you is just water snipefly larvae. This guy right here. Oh, yeah, there we go. And that's just a fly larvae, not a great indicator of stream health, but mainly when we're looking for stream health, we look for mayflies, caddisflies, and then stoneflies, which unfortunately we don't have. But there you go.